In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a Jira issue to a team. Jira is a powerful project management tool widely used by teams around the globe. But if you've ever struggled with how to efficiently assign tasks and issues to a group of people, instead of just one individual, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through a straightforward method to make this process smooth and effortless. Let's begin by using a multi-user picker custom field to help us manage team assignments efficiently. First, navigate to your Jira settings by clicking on the gear icon, then head over to the Issues section and select Custom Fields from the menu. This is where you'll be able to create fields that suit your project needs. Next, click on Create Custom Field. A window will pop up and you'll want to choose the option for User Picker, multiple users. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to select more than one user. Perfect for when you need multiple team members on a specific issue. Now let's give this field a relatable name. Something like collaborators works well. Make sure to associate this field with the relevant screen so that it appears when you're creating or editing an issue. This might sound like a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring the field you created is actually usable in the right context. Now, when you're creating or editing an issue, you'll notice a new option where you can select multiple users. This means you can easily assign a task to a team, ensuring that everyone involved is clearly notified and responsible for their part. Moving on, let's discuss another method, using components to assign teams. First, go to your project settings and look for the components option. This is a great way to categorize different parts of your project, and you can leverage it to assign issues to specific teams. Once there, click on Create Component. Here, you'll give your component a name like Dev Team to clearly identify which team it's for. It's also the spot where you can assign a default assignee. This could be a team lead or manager who will oversee issues assigned under this component, ensuring accountability and leadership. Lastly, when you're creating an issue in Jira, simply select the correct component to automatically route it to the right team. This dual method approach not only makes your workflow more efficient, but also enhances collaboration across your team, cutting down miscommunication and ensuring clarity. There you have it. By using these methods, you can seamlessly assign Jira issues to an entire team, making your project management process more organized and effective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to implement these tips to streamline your team's workflow in Jira.